Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on PlayStation. This incredibly popular cooperative psychological horror game is readily available on the PlayStation 5, delivering a truly immersive ghost hunting adventure. For those seeking an even deeper experience, the game fully supports virtual reality, making it an outstanding title for PlayStation VR2 users. Get ready to step into a world of paranormal investigation and suspense. The core gameplay loop involves teams of up to 4 players investigating various haunted locations. Your primary goal is to identify the ghost type haunting the premises by using a wide array of specialized equipment. Tools such as EMF readers, spirit boxes, and thermometers are crucial for gathering evidence. Successfully completing objectives and identifying the ghost will earn your team valuable rewards and experience.
Once your oatmeal is cooked to perfection, whether on the stovetop or in the microwave, let it stand for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief resting period allows it to cool slightly and thicken further. Then transfer it to a serving bowl. Now comes the fun part, customization. Enhance your oatmeal with your favorite toppings. Consider fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.